Welcome to the journey. This is part 2 of our 3-part series of Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. Thanks for watching.
Vacation Mike is back.
Today I'm only accepting tequila and good vibes, so that's what we're going with.
And I'm accepting tequila, margaritas, cervezas, and you name it, good vibes.
This is the Royal Level check-in area. You just take the elevator up, and this is the desk where you will find your concierge check-in. When we arrived, there was one person checking in before us. All right, finishing up day 1 lunch.
Fish with the mushroom sauce was pretty good, very good actually. I gave that a 8.9. I would say that the beef fajitas was very good as well. And you know when I'm on vacation, I haven't done this in a while, but Fedora Mike is back in action.
They do give this little hat stand, so if you do wear a hat to your meal, the stand is provided so you can hang your hat up. We had a couple of rounds. Service was quick and fast, not too busy. We got here right after lunchtime started, right at 1 o'clock. We're still waiting for our room to be assigned.
Normally not fans of the buffet, but this is a good buffet actually.
We're at the Royal Pool right now, in between the hot shop and the pools. We're just in this little pool area right here. We're enjoying ourselves so far. This is known as the quiet pool. Come enjoy that. It's a chill ambiance. I can say that the service is super attentive. Every time my drink is empty, it's filled up immediately. I'm loving that. From the minute we walked in, we've just been taken care of. So they're calling me Miguel instead of Michael. I'll take it. Here's a quick view of the Royal Club pool here. Quick panorama from the lounge chair here. Your bar service comes from right over there.
Right around 2 o'clock, we received an email saying our room was ready for us. We're in room 635, and this is our room key. So I don't know if you can see it great, but this is a bracelet, and this is how we key into the room. Green light means go. Right when you first come into the room here, you do have a bathroom, amenities, a magnifying mirror, a regular mirror there, sink, bottled water, a couple of glasses. Coming over to the shower. Mexico does love the sexy shower. If you know, you know. Shampoo, some soap. There is a phone, toilet, a hand towel, some tissues, drawer space. We do have a blow dryer, and then the rest of these are empty. You can put your toiletries in here. Full-length mirror. Oh, hey, Michael.
Well, hey guys, what's going on here? I'm sorry, I was just taking a nap here.
A little
We'll
siesta?
take a siesta here, but welcome to the Occidental Nuevo Vallarta here. I'm drinking a Corona Extra.
Occidental Nuevo Vallarta. So we've been to Occidental in Cancun.
Yeah, we went to the Occidental coast of Cancun. We'll link that video below because we did vlog that 3 years ago. Sorry for the lack of edits in that video, but we were very early on the Gentleman's journey. But personally, it has a piece of my heart. It's my favorite video of all time.
Room phone, a notepad, a couple of plugs, some accent lighting, and we do have a closet with a few robes.
2 robes there.
A steamer up top, and like I mentioned when I showed you that restroom, we were going to show you what the sexy bathroom is all about.
If you want to indulge, you can literally, I'll go and give you a little example here.
Here is the sexy bathroom. This is the view from out in the main area by the bed. You can have it closed, you can have it open. Ice bucket, a couple of glasses, bottle of water, coffee, tea area, and a fully
And then you got your mini
stocked
bar.
fridge. So we've got some 7-Up, some bottled water, Pepsi, a couple of apple juices, and what's that one in the back right?
Corona Light.
This is an oceanfront room, so let's see if this view is a cheers or jeers.
Is it a cheers or a jeers, ladies and
Ooh,
gentlemen?
you know it's already a cheers. Let's show them what we're working with. This is beautiful. Look at those palm trees. Look at that luscious greenery right on the ocean. We've only been here for a few hours, but so far so good. We've been hanging out at the club level pool.
The Royal Club pool. The Royal Club pool is pretty quiet, but I gotta tell you, the service has been fantastic. It's an exclusive level. You pay a little bit extra, but not too much.
The table, you can enjoy your room service.
So for the Royal level, room service is included. But if you don't have Royal level, room service is not included. So just keep that in mind. And also another perk of Royal level, you can make your reservations all at once.
When we got here today around 11 a.m.
Yeah, 11 a.m.
11 a.m. We are here for 3 nights. We were able to make our reservations for the next 3 nights at the a la carte restaurants. Doesn't always work that way. It's based on availability. So first come, first serve. As soon as you get here, you want to make your reservations. Brian in the Royal level took care of us.
He was great, fantastic. So we have 3 reservations. So we're going to show you the mariachi restaurant, the Mexican restaurant. We're going to show you the Italian restaurant, Olivo, and we're going to show you the Royal restaurant. So we're going to give you 3 restaurants in this review as well. Those are the 3 we're looking forward to. I know a lot of people like to do the hibachi, but every resort has a hibachi, so we wanted to do something that's unique. A quick pointer. Keep in mind, gentlemen, there is a strict dress code for some of the restaurants, so you do have to wear pants and shoes for some of these restaurants with a collared shirt.
Sounds like they're pretty strict.
Yeah, Brian did inform. I hope you have some long pants, so they do enforce that rule.
A desk area. We do have a clock. I know the last few reviews we've done at Marriott properties, they haven't really had clocks, but here is a quick clock test. 3:43, 3:47 is what they're saying.
Fail.
Let's do a quick desk test. That pen's looking a little.
Oh, that's pretty bad. Here we go. Run it down, and very little pickup, so they did okay.
At this beach hut, you'll find all of the vendors selling an array of items. They will approach you and ask if you're interested in buying anything. If you just politely decline, they will leave you alone. And here's the walk down to the beach, where you'll find showers to clean your feet off before entering back up into the pool area. A few Bali beds. That one has been roped off. We're not quite sure why. Very empty here. Lots of available seats. But check out that ocean.
Yeah, absolutely.
Primero la contraseña. First about the password. Papi chulo. Muy bien. Very good. Miguel del Bronx. Aquí viene su botella de tequila. We got a bottle of tequila.
Gracias.
Ahí está. Vamos a darle un fuerte aplauso al primer ganador. Give it a big applause for our winner. Ahora.
Post sunset view. Oh yeah. This is day 2, Occidental Nuevo Vallarta. So far, we're enjoying our stay. Not much to complain about. The rooms are on the smaller side, so I will say that, just to keep a lookout for that. And very limited balcony rooms. So we did not get a balcony room, as you saw in the room review. So that's something you might have to ask for well in advance in order to get one.
I think you can upgrade to a balcony room. Is that right?
Apparently from what I read, there's a few Royal level rooms that have balcony, very few. I don't know if it's an upgrade or if it's something you just have to request well in advance, but we weren't able to snag.
Something that we have noticed, so yesterday we did do lunch at the buffet, which we showed you, and then for dinner we did the Italian restaurant, which we did a quick walk through. It seems like they're at pretty low occupancy. Even right now it's 9 a.m. We are out by the pool and beach ready for the day, and there's really not too many people out here. Usually at a lot of the all-inclusives this time of the day, it's pretty filled up, the music is cranking, people are ready to party, so kind of hard to tell occupancy, but last night the party was popping until about 1 in the morning. There was music, there was a Michael Jackson show. We did not make it to that. We went to sleep early after a 4 a.m. wake up yesterday morning, but today we are ready to go.
If you're trying to get some sleep, you can hear the people talking, the music going on well into the night, so that's something that you might want to have to look out for, even in a Royal level room. It can get a little noisy.
Yesterday Michael won the bingo game, so we're going to see what kind of games we can get into today. We're hoping for a trivia game because that's usually where we excel, and maybe we're going to take home another prize.
Stay tuned. This is the main pool we're checking out, so we're checking out this pool before it gets a little too crazy later on in the day.
Only a couple people in here. Bars aren't open yet. We've seen a couple of people go up and try to order drinks. We know they open at 10 a.m., so we are patiently waiting. As you can see, it is completely empty. Bar Olas, that is the main pool bar here. You do have to get out of the pool, so it's not really a pool bar, but it's not too far away.
About 10 a.m. This is the Royal level pool. Extremely empty still. Just a quick look. There's the lovely Jen here. And the bar is about to start getting cranked. And by cranked, I mean me and the lovely Jen are about to start drinking as customers 1 and 2. So we're at lunch at the mariachi restaurant. Yesterday there was a wedding over here. Beautiful view of the beach right now.
Actually, it looks like they're setting up another wedding.
And this is where they might do some outdoor shows, although Michael Jackson was inside somewhere near the lobby yesterday. But maybe today's show will be out here. Here we have the resident of the Occidental slithering his way into the bushes there. Giant iguana. And a special salute to all the hardworking staff at the hotel, particularly Canario and Gustavo, who were very hardworking and kept the drinks flowing and the smiles coming. This mahi mahi is one of my favorite meals I've ever had at an all-inclusive resort. Fantastic. This is the kids club here. We at Jenica's Journey don't have kids, so we never bother with them.
Morning, YouTube world. We are checking in, showing you the hot tub. We are back at the same pool as yesterday.
Royal level pool. This is our preferred pool. We don't go to the other pools. Too crowded, too ratchet for us. However, this is the pool for us. One big perk that they have in this pool is that they give you canned beer. Out of all the all-inclusive resorts we've ever been to, very few of them have canned beer.
This is a mango margarita with a spicy rim, and it is delicious.
Part of the perks of being Royal Club is you get these little treats every day. So today we got these truffles here, and day 1 we had or day 2 I should say, we got this tequila.
Unfortunately, we never did get to see a show outside as there was back-to-back weddings while we were there. So if there are weddings taking place outside, then the entertainment resumes inside in strawberry daiquiri on the ground. It's a cheers. If you are royal level, you don't need to have towel keys, but we do think the non-royal level, you do get towel keys in order to pick up your towels daily. A tip that we like to suggest is always get fresh, clean towels to bring back to your room at the end of the day, so you will have them to bring down the next morning with you. This was part of the entertainment. One of the nights that we were there, there was a live band that went along to dancers that were performing on stage. And again, this did take place inside in a conference room. I think it normally would have been outside of that theater. Weddings were not going on while we were there. There was drink service during the show, but not too frequent, so if you did want to grab a drink before going into one of these shows, we do suggest grabbing one at the bar ahead of time. We hope you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful. Please click and subscribe for future content. We will be going to another all-inclusive resort after this one, so stay tuned.